Today we are going to talk about three-digit addition using new groups above, show all totals, and new groups below. The first method that we're going to talk about and review is show all totals. It's the same strategy you would use for two-digit numbers, but now you're adding the hundreds. With show all totals, you start with adding the hundreds. So with 456 plus 278, you add 400 plus 200 equals 600, and you write the whole number out. Don't forget your zeros because those are going to hold your place value. The second step is to add the tens. So we would add 5 tens plus 7 tens, which is 12 tens, or 120. Don't forget the zero because 7 tens and 5 tens is 120, not 12. Then we finally add the ones. 6 plus 8 is 14. Remember, there's a spot right here because that's really 0 hundreds, 1 10, and 4 tens. Then we add the total up. We start with the ones. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 1 plus 0 is 7. So the total is 734. Now we will look at new groups below. New groups below is where we show a new group and we just put it below the line. You can see the model up here. It shows 456 plus 278. We start with the ones, and when there's a new 10, we put it below the line. Then we have 456. When we add the tens, we have the 5 tens and 7 tens, and the extra 10, which is one more, which is 13, and we put a new one. So let me show you, and then we add the hundreds. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. They showed this with place value drawings as well. If I was going to add 512 plus 238 to show the totals, new groups below, I have 500, I'll start with the ones. So 2 plus 8 is 10. I put the new 10 below. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is 5. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. 750. The nice thing about this strategy is you see the new group right below so you don't forget it. Sometimes when we put them above, people forget to add the new 10. And then finally, we'll do new groups above. This is a common strategy that many of us use. We start with the ones. 6 plus 8 is 14. We put the new 10 above. 1 plus 5 plus 7 is 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. So new groups above and new groups below are very similar.